John, because of minimum, me radio so.
Yeah.
But Obia him so po my NPP. All the NPP for the class, I'm saying one to one payment. Both NDC, social issues in Rano. To send your mum from Obi to me for children as me because a long time.
In the allegation. A branch
of allegation. Mamina.
Allegation was
Mamina Tony Bano. Me Tiatuma Kwama.
But on some many be Kasawaha. Now some evidence about
that we all can say. What's in my ministry?
Oh, let's make transons.
I had dear my minister. Well, one can say. Mammy no ye prep girl can say. Boy na ko repu obi o. What say? Girl no repu no ni mammy audio say.
There be woman can rape asemu.
Repu ndi ababam. Ebru baby a.
And afa no mo pese mo de body a enu ya.
Sajo mammy chum. Mini ano issue ni ba ye no. Ibrahim issue ni ba ye no. Also omo chairman. Atuma kwa omo chairman. Ibrahim te atuma kwa omo chairman e minu apa. Akoko papa. Mini very close. Secretary ni mini you close. Into issue ni ba as far as chairman in the secretary there. He's very closer to my brother.
But upon him
the case no.
Yeah, a quarter. Mammy no crab be cancer. Mammy no crab be court be assembly quarter. Also prove beyond.
Sejo onye minor. Nenka brofo na homo yeje omu kunu num ya repu patedia na akola no e minor.
Se okoy e no me ka victim.
Enti na no why victim na ye kan enti na me say secretary on manage case no obeye wo court case ni ama
I know omu court and
obeye
omu ina court na ye nko prove
akoyi na mamwe case na say how be say am mamwe wo dey mamwe me say secretary on manage case no wa manage case ni be 4-5 months girl na opeja case no watunu na aye ne ya ba mo aye ya no crime there entwamu da wo ye mane fa nipa ba hwem
crime no ne den enye rape so where is a crime
na oni ma say almost say
almost say
akola no pa bi no almost say information say asa wa rape akola na wo say hunahuna ne say okoka
allegation
enam to edua bo no mo di case ne ba
it was so share the court no ko prove
media futo nam de ma court mo ano court na coordinators kura we na secretary wa we na ede
ni na allegation coordinators unim coordinators o mo we
coordinators chairman for we now secretary we story na ne dey and na ba yan tisa no mama for asom any o boy don't even answer you kura
Ose onye
na yen NPP your coordinators ni bi kura we nkrofo ansa no me o agent no na me nka da bia hwa maya me pama NPP your coordinators ni bi na NDC coordinator we ana ye na wo secretary secretary asem we mane nya asem enye news manage pa akola no peni maame wakosha ase wa pa acho ni aka ni fie mentesa you so mu awuna ayo politician wonu wani mbegu ase wo ye secretary wo hwe a e ka party campaign ho
ye de ye kosoa